Yeah, so our company specializes in digital indoor air quality monitors. So we have three different divisions that will test or provide monitoring systems for the homeowner, consumers that you can put into your house. We have a division that puts an ecosystem of these monitors in a commercial building or school or library. So I am the head of the professional division. So I manage everything from, the marketing of the product to account management to sales to I manage everything that I gather customer feedback and manage everything that goes into the application and dashboard. And I work with the app team to provide updates to the customer. Mostly, mass outreach and what's the right wording to get somebody interested, because I could sit on the phone all day long, but I've got a trillion other things to do, and so does everybody else. So, if we had a person that was dedicated to do that, yes, that would be an option. But I would say the biggest challenge for us is that the industry is so specific. It's a very small industry, and it's a tight-knit group. So, you have probably 100,000 of these home inspectors in the entire country of, billions of people, right? So reaching those people has been, probably not only reaching them, but reaching them with something that they'd be interested in hearing about the product, right? So it's a combination of the right graphics to put together and, catching people's eye on why they should use our product, right? So we have to, make sure the website has all the information right in front of them when they get to the website, and just trying to get people to the website and get people, obviously interested in this. Yes, you guys have been great. So the leads, I'd say 95% of the leads have all been, great appointments and exactly who we're looking for. And, your guys' communication is great. We go back and forth, and I get to edit the emails. And, if you guys have questions, you're always available, which is mind blowing to me, but you guys are, you're always responding. So, no, it's been the experience I was hoping it was going to be. You never really know, obviously. So, like I said, the leads have been great. We have revenue sales from them. We have a lot of leads that are, pending or people that are interested, but it's just not a good time for them right now. So those leads have obviously come in a lot quicker and a lot, faster than the professional product, because it's very specific, and it's just, you have a wider range of people to reach out to. But no, it's been exactly what I wanted it to be. And you guys are rigorous and following up and getting in front of these people. So it's been great. Yeah, so the biggest one right now is it was probably a $5,000 or so deal, but we have one client or two that are looking for possibly 30 to 40 of them. So not closed yet, but it sounds very promising. So that would be another 20 to 30 grand.